Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Uh, Once again, we're back with UK Fortnite. So, guys, congratulations to those who played Ghost Lotto 550 yesterday. It came well, it landed very, very, very well. I know some of you guys got something, some of you maybe did not play or did not have voucher or they did not get time. So, let us hit UK Fortnite. We're going to do what you always do today, like every day on a daily basis. Okay, so guys, remember, as I told you and as I always say, if you're interested in buying the book, which is like, let me say books, not the book. There's Ghost Lotto, there's CK Fortnite, there's Cash for Life. There's another game called Cash for Life. It pays. There is 550, there is 749, but the one that I don't have is 6 foot 5, because I've never time to sit down and try to figure out how 645 goes, but the other ones we are fine. So there's always a link in the first comment if you're interested in getting the book. Okay, so let us start working. We're going to start with that strategy of using the fourth digits. We add them together, we multiply by 87. 87 is the formula for UK 49. So I'm going to add yesterday's results to make today's results, both lunch and tea time. Remember, we start with the fourth digit, then we add 29 plus, I'm going to say 29 plus 30 times 87. I'm saying again, 87 is the formula for UK 49. And then I'm going to get 2639. Let me do it like this. So the code that I got from this times 87 is 2639, meaning we're going to have a 26, we're going to have a 26 or 29 because they spin the numbers. Then there's 39, there's 36. Okay, are we clear there, guys? So those are our first numbers that we have in UK Fortnite is 26, it is 39, and then we spin these numbers, we make 29, 36. Okay, then we go to the bonuses, we do the same, we add, and then we say multiply by 87. Let's see what we get. We're going to get 3092. So as you can see now, the figures that I got from this and the figure that I got from the bonuses, they are similar. It means there we've got a 30, we also have a 39, we have a 20, we have a 29. So let me give you a little advice about this game. If you see your numbers going like this in a chord, when you get similar numbers, so now we are sure that 39 or 36 is coming, 29 or 26 is coming, and 20 is coming. Okay, now we're going to do the last strategy that is going to give us a sure banker. A banker is a number that you can bank with from 1 to 49. So which means when you win there with 50 rand, you get how many tickets? 6 tickets, because it's 6 out of 49 numbers. So which is, I don't know, depending on your stake, but I don't recommend you guys to play with 1 rand, especially because 1 rand, if you win 3 numbers, is 400 rand, which is can't take you anywhere. But if you play with 5 rand, 3 numbers is 2,500 rand. I don't know, it depends on the bets, but it is something else. If someone is paid 2,500, some people they earning that little money, but they survive. Okay, so now let us go to the strategy for the bankers. You add these two numbers together, and then this time we're going to say plus 55. 55 is a formula again. We use different formulas to attack this thing, because UK Fortnite is something else. Then if you do that, actually, am I right or am I mistaken? Am I losing something? Okay, so I'm going to say that, let me go to the calculator. I just want to be accurate here. So 36 plus 49 plus 55, I get 140. So now I've got the banker now. So this is what I did. I said you have to be careful. If you do this and then we find out that the number is there at the bottom, then we're going to use the T results to predict today's lunch. For example, let me show you this. 36 plus 49 plus 55. I get 140, which is already 140 has dropped on T last night. So my main focus won't be on the middle numbers. Our focus will be here. Let me show you something. I'm going to say 1 minus 40 gives us a 39. 1 plus 40 gives us what? A 41. So now we must know, if you see a code like this, that 39 is still a strong, powerful number. Then this is what you do. You go to the T now, because already they've used that number on T time and it was previous draw. So we're going to use the latest results that came on T to predict today's lunch to get the banker. Let's go to the calculator and see if this will work. Okay, so we're going to say 32 plus 37 plus 55. We get 124. So now, there we go. It says if we add these two plus the formula 55, it gives us 124, which is now, our banker is 24. They normally take the biggest number here to make it the banker. So you can now take 24 and go 24, 39, 24, 36. You somerset and make it 42 sometimes. 42, 39, 42. That's how you attack UK49. You will never lose. You can even do 3 numbers there or 4 numbers with these numbers that I've given you here, because I'm now giving you the bank, which is 24. They can't spin that number. I don't know if they're going to spin, but let's just have like don't spin. So this is what it is, guys. It's not difficult. It's all about like giving yourself time, because even if you're at work, everyone has got break time. There's tea time, there's lunch time. You go and even these days it's even easier because it closes late, of which if your lunch time is 12 o'clock, you've got your book or you've got your phone, you can just go to YouTube, you watch the video, you pick 1 or 2, 3, 4 numbers, you play. I don't think it can disturb you even if you're at work, but don't like watch these videos when you're at work serving customers or whatever kind of work, or cleaning the house, because you'll make mistakes. Now the boss will be like, oh, you're busy with watching your YouTube videos instead of working, which is wrong. So take that spare time when you are at, like, you know, there's always spare time, I know, and then you can always watch the video and see what you can do. Because guys, my wish is for you guys to win and make money. Actually, you guys to learn. We attack this draw left and right. You see how I'm attacking UK49, and I come up with different kind of strategies. Actually, I prefer you to do this at home when you are settled, not at work, because when you do these things at work, sometimes you end up making mistakes. So you can watch this video, take your time before you go to work. Maybe let's say now it's already 6:55. Some people, they start working at 8, 9, some of them 10. So you still have at least 10 minutes of your time before you leave home. You write down your numbers, so when you get to work, you're already done. You don't have to start predicting and asking this and this. So guys, keep it up. Those who are following and those who have the books, big up to you guys. Those who haven't got their books, come to the first comment. You're gonna find the link there. That's where you're going to get your books. I'm telling you guys, you're going to win. Thank you very much. Let's always have faith in what we do. If we don't have faith in what we do, we won't get anywhere. It can be selling tomatoes, it can be driving a taxi, it can be singing, it can be dancing, it can be anything that you do in life. But if you don't have faith, it won't work for you. Because once you have faith and put the impact, God definitely puts his own 50% on top of your 50, then it makes it 100. The only thing that will work for you in life is faith, hope, and hard work. Those 3 things, put them down: faith, hope, and hard work. You will never go wrong. Don't allow the negative energy to distract you in whatever you do. Always cut off the unwanted frequencies in your mind that tell you that I can't reach that, I can't buy a house, I can't buy a car. That is the devil. Cut it off. Thank you very much, guys. See you on the next video.